Yo, what's up, Learning Machines? It's the end of the 30 days here of January, and this is how much I've made this month doing CPA marketing on Max Bounty. Let me refresh real quick. As you see, everything's still the same. And guys, I kid you not, it's amazing. And making money online is very real. It's as real as it gets. In this video, I want to share with you the exact strategies I'm doing that I recommend for anyone. The exact strategies of how you can make like a killing online. This is just one of my income streams. And I know you guys like to see updates of it all the time. So here you go. And let's dive into the video. This is going to be a very, very powerful video. So take notes. Welcome guys to this free training. Literally, I'm going to tell you guys exactly what the heck I do to make a killing online. So basically guys, I have several different funnels, all right? And then I have just massive free organic traffic, which is, it's a super powerful way to make money online, by the way. Just organic traffic coming to you 24/7. Then I do paid ads. So what I recommend for anyone when they first get started to make money online is get started on YouTube, okay? And that should be an obvious one. But I remember when I first started, it was not an obvious one. I would try to make money just from Instagram. I was very intimidated by YouTube. I mean, it had so many steps to it. It had so many technical things to it, I thought at least, but it's so simple, it's crazy. The other thing is, I would try Pinterest and all these things, and I wouldn't make money because the most powerful platform by far is YouTube, okay? And any video platform in general is the most powerful platform you could do. Okay, then I remember back then too, just real quick to share different stories here and reference points that can help you understand what got me success so you can have success super fast. So I got my first debit card back in like it was junior high or something like that. And I instantly wanted to use it for Facebook ads because I learned how to code and I built this landing page promoting a sweepstake offer. And back then, if I just did one freaking thing correctly, I would have had way more money at a really young age, like crazy. But that's the thing about the journey is you don't know things and you know what you know and you just keep going, you discover new stuff as you go. But I can tell you right now, Facebook ads is so powerful. The dream is still alive. Like I make thousands per day just from Facebook ads. I make thousands per day just from freaking just YouTube organic and YouTube ads, okay? Now YouTube ads is a very interesting one that no one talks about. And I will talk about that in this video and share with you guys ideas for you, okay? Of what you could do right now to crush it, okay? So let's explain this. If you want to make, I think most people want to make 100 a day, but if you want to make 1,000 a day, and this is all profit, everything I show you is all profit. What I showed you in the beginning of this video, results, right before I'm sitting down here, that's all profit. That's organic traffic, okay? 100 grand plus per month is what I've been doing for a while just from Max Bounty and growing in different areas too. Like there's some secrets to this making money online world. And business in general. There are truly secrets, okay? So I'm going to share with you exactly everything in this video. Let's start at one thing first. So if you want to make money with YouTube, here's exactly what I would tell anyone, okay? Give lots of great value in whatever niche you pick. Then just sell something. And because people are getting value, and in today's world, that's how we make purchase decisions, is if the person selling to us is giving us value. If we are getting value, we want more. In the past, real quick, with paid ads, it was so easy, now that just it requires more trust building. By the way, paid ads, and I'll explain that when I talk about paid ads soon in this video. But in the past, people would just run ads to like they were doing direct response marketing. That's what they were doing. They were just making money hand over fist, bro, just 24/7. They'd put money in and make huge ROIs back because no one knew what to do or how to do it. There was no competition because it was so new and it was so cheap, And I'm talking about Facebook and YouTube and all these platforms that are like the tier 1 best platforms you could do because of the targeting and because of the mindset the users are in and because it's interruption marketing and all these different reasons. But it still works. It still works. You just need to know what to do. And that's the power of just being a learning machine and staying up to date with things. YouTube. So basically, make a lot of great content. And you know what? The more content you have, the more views you will get, which equals more money because money follows attention. So the more attention you get to your products and in general your brand, the more money you're going to make. Okay? It's just how it works. That's how YouTube works. And if you look at some of the richest people on YouTube, they make a lot of great content and they sell stuff and they build a great brand. That's exactly what I do. That's exactly what you see top like personal brands doing and top channels that are not personal brands, just brands in general. They give great value and they sell stuff. So that's what you got to do. It's not about pitching 24/7 at all. I'm telling you right now, it's about building a brand of value. And you will never not have money. You will always have money if you're giving value all the time. It's called reciprocity. So when you're giving to others, they're going to want to give to you. When you solve other people's problems, they're going to want to solve your problems. Does that make sense? So it's kind of like the law of the universe, but YouTube's the best platform to make money online, period. Okay? Now, moving on to paid ads, what to do. And this is coming from someone who's making thousands per day profit, okay? With paid ads on Facebook, YouTube. I do adult marketing. I do all sorts of different, I could do any freaking traffic platform out there, paid ads, anything. And then there's a couple secret ones. I talk about them in different paid programs and for free on this channel. Like there's like these things called like there's pop under, there's things like there's adult ads, there's things like push ads. These are things people don't talk about much, but you make a good living off of too. In general, the best by far will always be YouTube and Facebook, okay? By far, okay? They're the best targeting everything. So if you want to really make good money, get into those. And if you want to master both, do that. But you only need to master one traffic source. Then you just need to have a great funnel that sells. Now here's how it works in today's world. I am telling you right now, this is what works. And I barely say this, but I will say this more often because I'm giving value to you guys. And the thing that works in today's world now is you need to basically have a longer bridge, if you will, between the ad and them buying something and buying more and more and more and more and more. It's like a value ladder, okay? So how it works is people see your ad and you basically hook them in, you give value in your ad, okay? Your ad is giving value, your ad is telling great stories, and then your ad has a call to action to a free thing. Okay, it needs to be a long bridge. I'm telling you, if you're going to do paid ads, it doesn't work like what you're probably assuming. It doesn't work like this, an ad to a freaking funnel selling something, and that's it. It can work, but it's so rare to get profitable that way. It's crazy. Now, in today's world, you have to give value up front. It's reciprocity bias, a very powerful bias. Okay, so let's keep going. Basically, what happens is you have an ad that's giving value content, and you can have quite a few ads to split test right there. And it doesn't matter the platform, you can do Facebook or YouTube. Then you send people to basically your sales page, which has a bunch of value you could do right there. Or you could send them directly to a YouTube playlist giving a bunch of value. Does that make sense? So you have a YouTube playlist where people spend several hours if they were to binge watch it, and that's basically building tons of trust and value with them, and then they want more value and they're going to buy. So you could do YouTube playlist or send them to a sales page with a long video giving just straight up value, or several videos giving straight up value. I'm telling you, this is very powerful stuff. I'm telling you, like, I should be charging like 100 grand for this right now, okay? But the power of this is I'm giving you guys crazy value so you can go make money and you can decide whether you want to repay me or not. That's just how it works. And you know, at this point, I don't care. I make so much money passively from other stuff. What really makes me happy is like changing people's lives and having them say, dude, I make so much money from what you told me. This is crazy, okay? It's ridiculous, guys. Like how amazing it feels to have someone say, dude, you changed my life. I'm literally making so much money right now, and I need help knowing what to do with the money now to invest it or whatever. Like, it's amazing. And just people get so emotional. I'll get emotional in a minute if I freaking keep talking about it, but it's crazy. So anyway, the paid ads, here's the other step. You got the ads of value. You send people to a sales page of value or to just another content site of giving value. And then you can link to multiple platforms. You should be omnipresent on multiple platforms with your brand and business, and you should go long-term with your business in today's world. It's very hard in many scenarios to actually be profitable just sending people to a one-off funnel with no brand building or social media sites in the back end of it and social proof. Okay, these are things you have to know in internet marketing. Like, it's very serious stuff, because this is the difference between a little bit of money in today's world or a lot. I'm telling you how to make a lot of money, and it works. So giving value, giving value, giving value, and all value is just great advice. Giving value, not pitching at all. They naturally want more no matter what after you've given them aha moments, which are powerful moments of making them go, huh, that is amazing. You probably have thought of many times. I mean, I bet there's a million times you've had aha moments in your life. The brain as a baby is the most active it's ever been in the stage of being a baby, because it's learning so fast. It's just how the brain waves, or whatever you want to call it, is way more hyperactive, okay, and learning super fast when you're a baby. So there's a lot of aha moments happening like constantly when you're a baby, and even then on forever. But after you give value on that next step, you're going to send people to either they can opt into a list for a free thing that actually has even more value. So it could be an ebook, or it could be a free training, and the free training can go on for a long time too, giving value. And then remember, it's free. And you can also, if you want to, after this free stuff here of great value, you can pitch something as well and have a free thing that pitches value. And always inside anything you sell, anything you give for free, they're going to build a better relationship and value with you. So they're going to want more after that anyway, but you need to call to action as well, more stuff. Okay, because in business, you need to have more stuff at more price points. Okay, you need to have low ticket stuff, mid ticket price stuff, higher ticket price stuff, and recurring price stuff. And the recurring price stuff should actually be like your core thing you're sending people to. Okay, should be the number one thing you want people to get into, because it becomes the lifeblood of your business. In the most valuable businesses in the world, they basically have recurring stuff. They have stuff where they are making, like Netflix, for example, they have recurring and that's it. Okay, and they don't need anything else, because recurring is at the crux of any business. But anyway, not the Horcrux of any business. I was just watching Harry Potter today. Guys, you give value in the ad, and you split test all the different ads you're giving value in. And you know, your ads could be the content that's over here. And then over here, guys, you have products that are giving more value and ascending the relationship. But if you've ever been to Costco, if you know what that store is, it's very interesting, because what they do is they have little stands around. It's like a big grocery store in a way. Okay, it's got other products and stuff like that, but a lot of food, buying in bulk, and a lot of other stores do this. But if you've ever seen it, they basically have stands of food sampling. So you basically try the food, and because you just tried the food, in some way, unconsciously, you feel like you want to buy it because you just had it for free and it tasted good, or maybe it didn't taste good, but you just had it and it's kind of triggering reciprocity. It's just a natural decision-making process for all of us humans. It's kind of the secret to how to really make money online that people just miss, because they're always trying to pitch and sell and sell and sell, because that's what they're learning from the legendary gurus, if you will, that were crushing it back then, because it was so easy back then. It's still easy now. All you have to do is give value. What's so hard about that? Are you so selfish you can't give value to people? Like, literally, if you want to make serious money, and by the way, the benefit of making serious money and the way to do it, all you have to do is just put yourself out there and give value, or you could pay someone to do it. But why not you? Why not you? What are you going to do? What's the other thing that you could do with your time? You could literally waste time. It's called twaddle tendency. It's kind of funny. People just naturally waste their time. It's just all of us. I mean, I waste my time too. It's just a natural thing us humans do. But you have a choice. Are you going to waste your time, or are you going to be conscious of that tendency? And are you going to take action and basically create value out in the world? And by doing so, you will always, every single time you give value and or have something at least to link to and sell, you don't need to pitch at all. All you need to do is say, hey guys, I have this to sell, or I have this. You should buy it because blankety blank reason, because it'll give you more value type thing. That's literally all you have to do. I'm telling you, you'll make plenty of money, guys. Okay, this is what I do. If you want to make money with sweepstake marketing, what I could tell you exactly for that is basically it's a simple recommendation for people. And if you want to go all out, once again, give value. Okay, run paid ads to giving value, and then during that process, you link the whole time of giving value, kind of at the end, always at the end, never the beginning of anything where you're giving value. Never pitch anything, but always at the end, literally just call to action. Hey, check it out. Okay, now how I made, if you saw in the beginning of this video, that's called CPA marketing, and that's on Max Bounty, and you could use any platform you want. There's a lot of them. Okay, you just need one offer. You can make $1 million with one offer for sure. Okay, some of them have a daily cap, so I promote a lot of different ones through email lists and stuff like that. And it can get complicated, okay? But it doesn't have to be, and that's what I'm telling you, exact strategy how you can make like 1,000 a day and scale from there. Okay, scaling from there just happens naturally by building an email list, building an audience, and just promoting forever. Okay, it just happens naturally forever. It compounds. That's just how it works. If you want to crush it with CPA marketing, literally run simple paid ads, give value, simply link to the offer, and they trust you from the value you gave them, and they buy. In the past, it was so easy because it was so cheap. Does that make sense? It was so cheap. It was so new and no competition. And there was actually the ability to have online video was really not a thing, if at all. So video wasn't a thing, so things were super easy. People just were like, okay, do I want this? Do I not want this thing they're offering me? Okay, and the pitch was super easy because no one else was offering anything really. Like there was very few offers out there. So it was super easy. But now in today's world, this is what's working. I'm telling you guys, this video can make multi-millionaires if you just rewatch it right now. And hopefully you enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys in more videos. If you want more value from me, check out down below. And peace out.